Alright guys, today I am doing a review of this Thirsty Buddha soda. I got this at Costco. That guy came in a couple of packs, so I'm gonna do a review of. There's 3 flavors in a pack, so I'll do a review of this. This is the lemon lime. There is one that's cola, so I'll do that next. So there's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. They use a little bit of stevia in there, monk fruit. There's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And let's do a quick taste test. Now, this one's more expensive than, like, you know, a regular bubbly is, so. Okay, so the lemon really comes through. The carbonation isn't as strong as bubbly, but it has a nice lemon citrusy type of flavor to it. So I don't taste the yeah, it really tastes more like a almost like a pop, like the Zevia stuff, but it's not as fizzy as the Zevia stuff. So I sort of like the Zevia actually a little bit more, but it's not bad. Yeah, all right guys, stay tuned for more videos.